Welcome sa inyong lahat dito sa aming channel. Huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe para lagi kang notified. Kami si Justin and si Chris at ito ang aming Simple Life. Note at comment down below. Please share and like this video.
It looks as if I just woke up. Well, that was 3 hours ago. Pagkagising ko, guys, dumiretso ko dun sa office. Because I had to edit the thumbnail for the Pampalakas vlog. And by the time you're watching this vlog, it's already up. And then, other than that, I edited my current favorites video. So, lumipas na ang 3 hours. At hindi ko na alam kung ano oras na. And I think it's lunchtime. So, here's what I'm having for my lunch slash breakfast. Or brunch. Or basta. This is my typical morning where I just watch a YouTube video. I'm eating the leftover pasta. Tapos leftover apples, and then gumawa ko ng salad. And can you guys see gaano karami ang salad na yan? It's like half of my plate. 75% or no, 60% of my plate is fruits and veggies. And sobrang obsessed ako dito, guys, oh. Ano to? Ano ba yung radish sa Tagalog? Basta radish siya, yung kulay pula. Ang sarap! So, let's eat! Okay, kain na tayo. Start muna ako sa apples. I've had this workout outfit for like the past 2 hours and sobrang tinatamad talaga ako mag-workout pero kailangan natin yun gawin, guys. So, ang ginawa ko, nagsampay na ako ng mga nilaban ko. And now, I'm gonna take all these supplements. I don't know if you guys can see. There's what... Yan. I'm just gonna drop them one by one. There. Okay? 4 tablets. Ang lalaki. Ang hirap inumin. Pero... I take 4 supplements every single day to make myself healthy and para magkaroon ng effect yung pag-workout ko. And now, I'm just going to be wearing my favorite pair of sneakers. Hindi ko nga alam kung ito ba dapat ang suot-suot ko sa gym, pero para ganda-ganda lang ang effect natin. Susuot ko na rin siya. And, let's go! Medyo gloomy day tayo today, guys. Hindi masyadong mainit. Pero medyo matraffic pa rin. Diba? Minsan, kapag sinuot mo na yung workout outfit mo for the day, effective living. As in, sobrang tinatamad talaga ako kanina. Sorry guys, malakas yung hangin. Medyo, okay, mamaya ako nang kakahingi ako. Hi guys! So, katatapos ko lang ng 20 minutes na pagtakbo-takbo at paglalakad. So, yung kagaya nga na sinasabi ko kanina bago ko na-interrupt nung pedicab driver. Sobrang tamad na tamad ako today. Ayaw mo talaga. Kasi ang dami naka-pending na mga videos to edit. But, you know what I did? I wore my workout clothes. Tapos medyo nagpatag dito. Parang binabad ko muna yung katawan ko sa kanya ng mga 2 hours. And then, when I was about to change to parang normal pambahay, sabi ko, hindi, sayang, sinuot ko na. So, might as well go here, you know, and do a little bit of a workout. Kasi later, di ba may dinner tayo with Juliet and her husband. You will see that later at the end part of the vlog. So, ayun, that's what I did. And I'm all sweaty right now.
Squeeze like an orange, squeeze.
Cool down na tayo guys. Grabe, pinatay ako ni Kuya dun sa mga arm workout na pinagawa niya. Nakakaloka. Yung mga tipong pag sinabi niya na slow down, alam ko na dun nakabubula yung bibig ko kasi ang sakit. Para mawala yung mga flabby arms. So ngayon guys, nagpo-cool down na tayo. Siguro mga 2 minutes lang tayo dito sa stationary bike. Para lang at least maganda ang pagtatapos sa ating workout. I'm so proud of myself, okay? Minsan, pag mga tinatamad kayo mag-workout na gano'n, just, parang, i-motivate mo yung sarili mo na kailangan mo to. Yung gano'n, remind yourself why you're doing this. That's what I did earlier this morning. So, I'm so proud of myself. I would have hated myself today if I didn't go to the gym and if I didn't do that workout. But, I'm so proud of myself because kahit tinatamad, I did it. Ayan guys, pupunta na tayo sa post office. Tingnan nyo naman kung gaano ka-modern ang post office dito sa Caloocan, walang hiya. So ayan guys, nakuha na natin yung package and surprisingly, yung mga tao dito, medyo ano sila ha. Medyo masaya sila ngayong araw na to. Kasi usually, grumpy yung mga tao dito sa post office. Pero today, siguro dahil umulan, kaya siguro medyo courteous sila sa mga bisita nila. I'm watching Dr. Mike right now. And this is what I'm having for snack. Whole wheat bread, tapos salted caramel and peanut butter, slices of apples, and then mga flax seeds para may omega-3. O, diba? Charin! There you have it, guys. I just feel like I've mastered the art of sporting wet hair. O, di ba may kulot-kulot pa? And it's all dry na, guys. Di ba? Ang galing. Anyway, this is just simple makeup that I just did. Naglagay lang ako ng brown-brownan sa eyelids. Nothing too drastic. And later tonight, I'm gonna meet up with Aisha and I'm gonna have dinner. Ayan guys, nandito na tayo sa SM MOA and I'm reunited with Sis Juliet. Si Aisha hindi na nakarating as always. Di ba yung mga pinagdadaanan to si Aisha? Hindi nagkaroon kasi ng problema kay Sky na car sick. Kaya, mga lang, ang ganda ni Sis Chris. Ang kasama ko ulit sa Diyos ko. Ay, ang birthday niya.
Okay, hindi kayo nagkakamali sa pagsuporta sa kanya. Support lang.
Ayan guys, so nag-workout tayo kanina, diba? Oh, wala na mangyayari sa workout natin. Guys, wala na lahat yung workout ko kasi talaga pa. We're now back home guys, and kaya mamasa-masa ang aking mukha. I already have my aloe vera mask on. Pagkatapos, nga pala may dumating na package kanina. Dumating na yung ating Timmy Blends. So, I'm very excited to try. Ito ata yung kanilang 30-day na detox program. I'm going to be doing a demo of this on the next vlog or probably bukas na lang. So, yun lang guys. Sobrang pagod si Jocelyn. Hindi na siya nakasama sa vlog. Thank you so much for watching this video. And I hope na sana lagi kayo magsusuporta sa ating channel kasi malapit na tayo mag 100K. And we'll see you on the next vlog. Bye guys!